interrupt your program with a special news report. The breaking news of avian influenza has infiltrated the Augusta State University campus. This virus originated from Hong Kong in 1997, began with a small bird that infected mankind. This infection, something so small yet powerful to kill even the most healthy. This capsid-wrapped influenza has been around and has now infiltrated what we know as our campus. Avian influenza, or bird flu, could very easily be passed from your poultry to yourself. With the amount of wild bird that roam your streets, one must stay away to be protected from the invisible threat that they possess. Danielle Page is standing by at Augusta State University to bring us the latest of the news.
Thanks, Galen. Yes, as you said, birds are everywhere here on this campus, and one cannot be too cautious in taking the necessary measurements to avoid these birds. I have here Rachel Pearson, a student here at Augusta State University who has eyewitnessed a bird attack. Can you please tell me what you have witnessed?
Yes, I was walking to my next class, and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, this bird just attacks this guy and like rips into his skin with his talons, and I just know he got the bird flu.
What would make you say that?
Because not too long after the bird ripped into him, he pooped in his eyes.
Thank you, Rachel. Yes, as you have now witnessed here live at Augusta State University first with RSGD Broadcasting, I'm Danielle Page.
Danielle, could you give us some possible ways to avoid a potentially infected bird?
We have given you 5 measures in which one could potentially try to avoid catching the bird flu. Number 1, carry an emergency cracker to appease the influenza-ridden bird.
I know it's taken me a long time to, holy crap, wait 1 minute, there's a bird flu infected bird, I gotta take care of this. Here's a cracker, okay? Just leave me alone.
Number 2, dress up like a bird to avoid being detected. Number 3, carry a sword. Number 4, run as fast as you can. Number 5, carry a freshly cleaned window.
All right.
Good thing you have a window. I should also add, anyone that is attacked by a vicious bird should immediately go to the hospital or call 911. This is Danielle Page, reported from Augusta State University. Back to you, Galen.
Thanks, Danielle. The Center for Disease and Control released this statement, and I quote, "Most human cases of H5N1 bird flu virus infections are thought to have occurred only as a result of direct or close contact with sick or dead infected poultry." I'm Galen Lehman with your immediate news break. Thanks for tuning in. Now back to your regular programming.